Hey everyone, in this quick video, let's learn how to calculate the quantity of cement, sand, aggregate, and steel for a slab using the M20 grade of concrete. We're assuming an M20 grade mix, which follows a ratio of 1 to 1.5 to 3. This means for every 1 part of cement, you need 1.5 parts of sand and 3 parts of aggregate. 3 parts of aggregate. Let's say your slab has dimensions of 10 meters long, 5 meters wide, and zero point 0.1 meters thick. To calculate the volume of the slab, we use volume equals length times width times thickness. So that's 5 cubic meters of concrete. Now we'll calculate the quantities for each material. The total ratio is 1 plus 1.5 plus 3 equals 5.5 parts. For cement, sand, and aggregate, we'll convert from cubic meters to kilograms. Here's how we do it. First, let's calculate cement. Cement equals 0.91 cubic meters. Since cement weighs 1,440 kilograms per cubic meter, we get 1,305 kilograms of cement. Next, let's calculate sand. Sand equals 1.36 cubic meters. Since sand weighs about 1,600 kilograms per cubic meter, we get equals 2,175 kilograms of sand. Now for the aggregate equals 2.73 cubic meters. Since aggregate weighs 1,450 kilograms per cubic meter, we get equals 3,950 kilograms of aggregate. For steel, it's usually about 1% of the total concrete volume. 1% of 5 cubic meters is 0.05 cubic meters of steel. Since steel weighs 7,850 kilograms per cubic meter, we get 392.5 kilograms of steel. So to sum it up, for a 5 cubic meter slab with an M20 mix ratio, 1,305 kilograms of cement, 2,175 kilograms of sand, 3,950 kilograms of aggregate, and 392.5 kilograms of steel. That's how you calculate the materials needed for your slab. Easy, right? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick construction tips.